Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your currency from CoinGecko. If you want to change the currency in CoinGecko application, first of all, open up the CoinGecko app on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile section, go under Preferences and tap on Default Currency. Now on the next page, select your currency from the list. After choosing the currency, the app will automatically update to show crypto prices in your selected currency. Scroll through the list and select your preferred currency. For example, if you're in Europe, you can pick Euro. If you are in India, you can select INR or Indian Rupee, etc. After you do that, you will be able to change your currency on CoinGecko. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.